So this is my method that works currently right now in September 2025. Anybody can follow along and get started today. All you have to do is have a blog set up. A WordPress site is preferably with the WordPress site. So have your website set up, and you want to make how-to content, guides, product reviews, stuff that is helpful to somebody looking into the product, into the topic. So make sure to build a website on a topic that you are truly interested in. Like, make sure this is something you want to learn about or that you already know a lot about. If you can do that, you can succeed in affiliate marketing. So here's how we get going with Pinterest. So the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your profile. And you want to make sure that it's optimized just for faster results. You want to get results quick. You're not doing this for fun. You might be a little bit of fun too, but that's not the primary purpose here. We're trying to make money. So what you want to do is create a board for each topic on your website. So for instance, I have a detailing site. I might have something about interior detailing, carpet cleaning, leather cleaning. I could have a board for each section and then a unique description for each board. This is kind of where SEO comes into play. You can put some keywords in there, make it natural, make it helpful, describe what the board is about, and that's a place where you can save your pins. And step 3 is, well, this is kind of part of the whole deal. Have a proper profile image and a banner. In the banner, you can have your website URL and logo. Make sure it's branded, make sure it looks professional. Now, the secret to all this is not really a secret. You want to go where people are already looking. You want to somewhat chase trends, but follow the research. So we have a few tools for this, and they're all free. We have Google Trends, Answer the Public, and we even have the Google Ad Keyword Planner tool. So using these tools, you're able to kind of catch a wave when it's coming. If you see something just started, it just broke out, it's related to your niche somehow, you can create content about that and get more visibility. And now the main thing with making the pins is to make sure they're unique. You can't just generate AI shit, flood the internet, spam it, and expect to get results. I mean, you probably will get some, but it won't be ideal. What you want to do is you want to grab their attention, but you also want to make them want to save it. So what do people want to save? Like a how-to guide, a useful tip, maybe a quote, some type of random fact, something they wouldn't mind seeing again. And then always aim to have large text. The larger the better. Fewer words, larger text. Just as a rule of thumb, always keep that in mind. If you're not sure what it should say, consider the shorter option. And then to make it all easier, you can use Canva, Photopea, however you want to say it, Photoshop, or even ChatGPT. Whatever works best for you. And then quantity matters. So with Pinterest, aim for 4 to 10 pins per day. You can schedule them by posting them in the web app. This is probably the best way to do it. Just one day a week, go on there and schedule out the whole week. You can create templates using Canva to make this easier, so you can easily produce and publish your pins. So here's the plan to make money. You have your blog post, which might be a guide on the best way to do some sort of activity, best way to clean a car's interior. I would recommend the best products to use naturally, like it would just come naturally. I would create a pin based on that post, maybe some random details, key points from the post. I would make 1 to 5 pins based on one post, publish them. The pins will link to the blog post will link to the affiliate link. And then you can also join other boards. You can request to join other boards, popular boards, and then you can save your pins there, and that works as well. That's a good way to get more visibility. Then just repeat. After this, all you got to do is just repeat. Do this every day for a month and tell me what results you get or don't get. But I am sure you will get amazing results within 1 month. So like I said, give it 30 days. Don't quit in 1 week. If you like this, you got any value, or you want to get started with affiliate marketing in 2025, 2026, go to madeyouclick.me and get your free 90-day blueprint. Thanks for watching.